In the last lecture, we saw how to install Anaconda for Windows. Now, in this lecture, we will see how to create an Anaconda environment. So, we will get started. There are two ways to create Anaconda environment. The first one is using the Anaconda prompt, and the second one is using the GUI interface that I showed you in the last lecture. So first we will see how to create an Anaconda environment using Anaconda prompt. So for that, we will go to Anaconda. We will go to Anaconda prompt. Now, as soon as you open the prompt, we can see that it is written base here. Base means that we are using the base Anaconda environment, which has specific packages already installed. Now, if we want to create an environment where we want to install only the packages that we need, we have to create a new environment. So to create a new environment, we will see the command. First of all, we will write conda create name, and then we will write the name of the environment that we want to create. So for example, we will write env2, and we will give the version of Python that we need with this. So maybe 3.5, and we will press enter. Now we can see that the package has started installing. We press yes. Now it is downloading the Python package that we specified. And the other required packages. Now we can see that the installation has completed, and it is written to activate this environment, we can use this command, and to deactivate, we can use this command. After creating the environment, we can still see that we are in the base environment, that the environment that we created has not been activated yet for our use. So to do that, we will write the command now our environment has been activated. Now to see the list of packages that are installed in the environment, we will write a command conda list. Now we can see a list of packages that have already been installed with this conda environment. So this was how to create an environment using the Anaconda prompt. Now we will deactivate this environment and go to the base environment. For this, we will write conda deactivate. Now you can see we are again in the base environment. Now we will close this prompt, and now we will see how to create an environment using the GUI interface. And I will also show you where this environment has been created. We will go to start Anaconda and then go to Anaconda Navigator. Now we can see this home page in which we are currently, and we see that the base environment is here. Now to see the list of environments, we will go to environments, and we can see that we have two more environments other than base, env1, which I created earlier, and this is env2, which I created just now using the Anaconda prompt. So if you want to activate this environment from here without using any Anaconda command, we can click here and it will activate env2 directly from here. And now on the right hand side, we can see all the packages that are installed in this env2. Now, if we want to again go to base, we can click here. And on the right hand side, we can see all the packages that were installed in base. Now, for example, if you do not want to use the Anaconda command prompt to create a new environment and activate a new environment, we can directly do all the things from the GUI interface as well. So we will create a new environment from GUI interface now. So to do this, we will go to environments in which we are currently, then click on create. We will give the name of the environment, maybe env3. We will give the version of Python here that we want with this environment. Please note that the default version with Anaconda was 3.8.5. And we can also have different versions of Python in different environments as well. So for this environment env3, it is asking that should you keep it to 3.8, but we do not want to keep it for 3.8. Maybe we want to keep Python 3.7 version. So we will click this and click create. Now you can see that it is creating the environment. Now we see that this is env3 that has been created. This was env2 and there is env1 and base. Now, if we want to use an environment, we have to first select that. So for example, the environment that we created was env3. We will click on this. And now if we want to run any Python program in this environment, first we will select this. Once it has been activated by clicking, we will go to home. And now we can see that it is env3 here. And now we will click on Jupyter Notebook. Whenever we create a new environment, all the applications will not be installed by default in this. We have to install them again. So in env3, Jupyter Notebook is not installed. As we can see, there is an install button here. So we will click here and this will install Jupyter Notebook for this environment. That is env3. As we can see that it is taking a little time to install Jupyter Notebook for this environment. Now we see that Jupyter Notebook has been installed in this environment. So we will launch this. And now we have our Jupyter Notebook running in this environment. This is running in env3 that we created just now. As we can see, env3 is activated here. Now, this is all about creating an environment in Anaconda and activating it through GUI. Now, for example, if you want to use Jupyter Notebook directly from Anaconda prompt after activating the environment, we can do like this. We will go to Anaconda prompt. As we can see, after closing the GUI, we are again on base. So if you want to directly go to Jupyter Notebook and activate the environment from Anaconda prompt, we can do that as well. So the command to activate the environment was activate and the name of the environment, which is env3. So we can see that it has activated. Now we can directly write Jupyter Notebook. See, it has started Jupyter Notebook in env3. Now I would like to show you guys a very important file in which we have all the commands for Anaconda, which is called the Conda cheat sheet. So we will go to Google and we will write Conda cheat sheet, and we will go on the first link and we will download this. So I already have that downloaded. So in this we can see that there are different commands for Anaconda. So I told you Conda create, name, and then Python version to create a new Anaconda environment. This is Conda list to list all the packages, and you can see all the commands of Anaconda written here. We can write Jupyter -notebook to open Jupyter Notebook, or without hyphen also we can write. We can also directly install, we could have also directly installed Jupyter Notebook from command prompt using conda install Jupyter, but we did this using GUI by just clicking install. This is a command to activate. So this is a list of Anaconda commands. I hope you liked this video. In the next lecture, we will see how to install packages in Anaconda environment that we want to use. Thank you.